Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mango mojito. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe mango, fragrant mint, and zesty lime. You'll also need your favorite white rum and some simple syrup for that perfect touch of sweetness. We'll combine these elements to create a truly refreshing drink. Let's get our main flavors ready. First, peel and dice one ripe mango into small, manageable cubes. Next, take about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves and gently muddle them in your glass to release their aromatic oils. Then, squeeze 1 ounce of fresh lime juice for that essential citrus kick. Finally, pour in 2 ounces of your preferred white rum. Now, let's bring it all together. Add about 1 ounce of simple syrup to your glass. You can adjust this to your sweetness preference. Combine the muddled mint, diced mango, lime juice, and rum. Fill your glass generously with crushed ice. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are well blended and the drink is perfectly chilled. For the final touch, top your mojito with about 3 ounces of club soda for a delightful fizz. Garnish your beautiful drink with a fresh sprig of mint and a small slice of mango on the rim. Serve your refreshing mango mojito immediately and enjoy this tropical twist on a classic cocktail. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.